Good morning, it's Wednesday, July the 2nd, and for breakfast this morning I've got waffles using the ready break mixture this morning. I've got some grapes, it's fruit, I haven't got any speed, but this is fine, and 1.5 sins worth of choc shot, and a coffee using some of my healthy extra, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, I can't talk this morning, some of my healthy extra A milk from my first A choice. So that's 1.5 sins for breakfast this morning. For dinner today, I've got the tomato, onion and herb pasta and sauce, which is 90 grams and it's half a sin. And I've got that with peas and sweet corn, which are free, and a sugar-free jelly. Couldn't find the sins for this, but it is sugar-free, so I'm going to say 2 because that was the one with the most on the app. For tea today, I've got the pork that I made yesterday for Jeff, and he's jigged it up a bit with some fine beans and onions, and the sauce is still free, so it's all fine. It's just soy sauce, lemon and garlic, and he's fried some rice, and I've got some cherry tomatoes for speed with my drink. For snacks today, I've got a strawberry skinny whip that's 4.5 sins. I've got a pink and whites that is 2.5 sins, a bunch of grapes and a coffee using some of my healthy extra A milk. So I'm ending today on 11 sins ahead of weigh day tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.